Hi, we're camping this weekend and we are actually at a new place that none of us have been, which is Alta Lake. We are just outside of Telluride, and pro tip, if you are trying to camp near Ouray and you do not have a reservation, odds are it will be full, but all you need to do is head over Ophir Pass and you will probably be able to find a campsite here at Alta Lake. And it is a really pretty place, and even better, free. The campsites are free. They don't have water or like major facilities, but they do have porta potties, which is, you know, better than nothing. So let me show you around and you can kind of see what it looks like.
Welcome to Alta Lake.
So we're heading out from our campsite and we are exploring the lake. Silas is going over the bridge. Chad's taking the river crossing. I really wish Silas wasn't doing it in sandals. The water is so clear. Then this is looking back at our campsite, and you are actually not allowed to camp any closer to the water than where our campsite is. It's marked not to camp near the water. So that's great because you know the water is staying clean. And so our tent is right there, just behind those trees nestled in. Silas's tent's there, and our car is over there as well. And people have actually made it in with RVs, although the road is fairly treacherous. I don't know if I would want to do that myself, but so as you can see, it's clearly marked where you can and cannot camp. And it is very buggy. This is a buggy campsite. It's not windy at all today, and we are getting eaten alive. I like campsites like this where after driving for a while, there's little hiking areas that are easy to access that are pretty mellow hikes, so you can move around and get some exercise and not have to get back in the car to go somewhere after you've set up your camp. There's Sammy. Silas caught a nymph. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about Alta Lakes. Let me know if you have ever stayed here or plan on staying here, and be sure to check out our videos of Ophir Pass and Imogene Pass. Bye!